Would you believe me if I told you that this car can make you thousands on Turo? And I promise you I'm not talking about this BMW M4. But I am talking about this Honda Fit. It's a 2019 with only 26,000 miles. So it already checks 2 boxes to be Turo eligible, which is that it has to be under 130,000 miles and it cannot be older than 12 years old. And in my opinion, when it comes to Turo, this is the best business model. You just want cheap cash cars that help people get from point A to point B. As for the interior check, I mean, obviously it has some stains and wear, like it is cloth. But like I said, when it comes to Turo, I mean, I'm gonna be putting seat covers over it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Now, the last thing to note to see if it is Turo eligible is we're gonna scan this because you cannot have a salvage title. The title needs to be clean. And here it is, no structural damage, 4.3 condition rating. No announcements. And it would have said somewhere on here if it was salvage or rebuilt title. And believe it or not, that baby will make you thousands.
That sure enough will. That car make you thousands of dollars. All right. I don't even know how much. Let's say they wanted. She had an auction. Let's say she get that for like $4,500. Man, you gonna make that money back in like 4 months. Everything after that is in the green. You making money on top of money. You can rent that car out from $65 to $75 a day. They'll pay for it all day, every day. It's in good condition inside. You put them seat covers over it, like she said, and you run it up. Run it up for 2 years. The car can make you at least $18,000 to $22,000 in a year. You run it up on your $4,500 investment. You done turn around, in 2 years, you done made you $40,000 and some change off of this one $4,500 investment. Then you turn back around on year 3 and sell it for $1,500 less than what you bought it for. $3,500 or $3,000 to sell it for, somewhere around there. You done made your money off this car already. And then you get to turn around, sell it, take some of that money and buy another cash car, wash, rinse, and repeat, do it all over again. This is the play. She gave some tidbits about what type of car it needs to be. If you're doing the Turo route, it has to be under 130,000 miles for you to list the car. It can go well over that once it's on the platform. It just needs to be under that to list it. It needs to be no older than 12 years. So we're in the year 2026. That means the car needs to be a 2014 or better. And make sure it's not a salvage title or rebuilt title, because they won't allow you to list any of those. And then other than that, you good to go. Now you got a car that's making you some money, even if you just did with one car, and the one car bringing in about $1,800 to $2,000 a month. That's an extra $1,800 to $2,000 that can go to one of them bills that you got to pay, or some of them bills that you got to pay. Some groceries, it can go to this high ass gas, it can go somewhere. All right, but she just told you how to get in it with the play. She showed you the nice looking BMW, which they probably gonna sell that for about 10, 15, somewhere up in there. But she showed you that little small economy car that's gonna make you money over and over and over and over again. And you run it up until you get ready to sell it. This is the play. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Is that one that you would get and add to the platform? Or what type of car are you looking at or interested into getting? Ask me, let me know, hey, do you think I should get this car? And I'll let you know, like, yeah, that's a good one. Or like, hey, you want to stay away from those, but here's something else you could get. So I'm always point you in the right direction. But let me know what y'all think in the comments on this one. It's your boy William Boston. I'm up out of here.